Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Makar Sankranti is around the corner, and today we're going to make one such recipe that is synonymous to this festival. Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani, and today let's start making Til Ke Ladoo. Let's start with roasting some til or sesame seeds. I have 1 cup of sesame seeds here. We need to roast this at least for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep roasting them on low flame, and also the sesame seeds will change a little color after it's nicely done. The sesame seeds has nicely changed color, and now I'm going to remove it in a plate. Spread it around for it to lightly cool. Next, in the same pan, I'm going to heat up 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let's add in 1 cup of jaggery. Make sure you finely chopped it. Also, add in 2 teaspoons of water. On low heat, mix all these ingredients till the jaggery nicely melts. After the jaggery melted, I've further cooked it for another 5 minutes. And now let's do the water test. Take a bowl of water, just drop 1 small drop of this jaggery mixture. And if it doesn't spread in the water, that means it's done. And this is ready. Let's quickly add the sesame seeds. And I also have 2 tablespoons of coarsely ground peanuts. Turn off the flame and then mix all these ingredients in the pan. And you have to be extremely quick while doing this, because once the jaggery starts cooling, it's going to start hardening. This is nicely mixed, and I'm quickly going to start making the balls also. Let's remove this in a plate. Now quickly wet your palms nicely with water, because this mixture is going to be extremely hot. So be very careful. Take a spoonful of this mixture and just make nice round balls. After every ball that you make sure you wet your palms, otherwise you're going to burn. Let the laddus cool down at least for an hour. I have no idea why I haven't tried this recipe up till now, but it's never too late. I hope you try this method to make your laddus this Makar Sankranti, and wish you a very happy Makar Sankranti. See you soon. Bye-bye.